In order to grow a profitable personal brand, you need to be able to position yourself as the go-to expert for your ideal clients and customers. But how do you do that when you're just starting out? My mom and I went from social media nobodies to hitting $300,000 in sales in just 10 months with our personal brand. And today we run a 7-figure business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start positioning yourself as an expert online that your ideal clients will know, like, trust, and love to do business with, even if you're brand new. Hey there, I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community, alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create revenue on autopilot while living the lifestyle of your dreams. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next training we release. In the world of social media, it feels like everyone is an expert at something. And I don't know about you, but when we were first getting started, it wasn't just overwhelming, it was intimidating. We got stuck comparing ourselves to others, dealing with imposter syndrome, wondering if we even had what it took to build a profitable personal brand. I mean, how are we supposed to stand out against people who were so much further ahead of us, had so many more followers, had so much more experience? If you have ever felt that way, I would love it if you would do me a favor and type yes in the comments below. I think the worst thing about this feeling is the fact that it's very isolating. You think you're the only person who's ever felt like this, when in reality, I think everyone has felt this way at one time or another. Dropping yes in the comments below will help everyone who views this video to see you are not alone. You do have what it takes to become the go-to expert in your niche. The key is simply to start. And no, I'm not talking about getting started, although you've got to do that too. In this case, I'm using the word START as an acronym to show you the steps you will take to get there. Every winner was once a beginner, and even if you're nowhere near where you want to be yet, if you have taken even a single step in your journey, I promise there are people out there who you can help. So let's dive into the acronym. S is for specialize. A jack of all trades is a master of none. And when you're starting out, the easiest way to differentiate yourself from others is to specialize in a specific area and focus on helping a specific person. This step is so important that we did an entire video around it, which you can watch right here, and I will also link it for you below. The key is to pick one thing you want to be known for and go all in on that thing. A great example is to look at the fitness industry. You might say, okay, I want to be known for helping people with their fitness, but that is so broad, and it's way too broad to set yourself apart from the pack. Fitness is not a niche, it's an industry. First, focus on who you want to work with. Primarily, is it men? Is it women? Is it college athletes, moms, former athletes? Each one of these groups has different desires, different problems, and is looking for different solutions. By trying to talk to everyone, you'll end up talking to no one, and your voice will get drowned out in the sea of noise. From there, niche down. How will you help people with their fitness? Do you want to focus more on the exercise or the nutrition? If you choose nutrition, are you about diet or supplements? All three are important, but you need to pick one way that you want to be known for, especially in the beginning. If you pick exercise, what type of exercise do you want to be known for? Kettlebells, CrossFit, high intensity, yoga, Pilates, cycling, swimming, no equipment workouts, the list goes on and on. If you pick diet, what's your specialty? Is it keto, paleo, vegetarian, whole foods? I think you probably get the picture now. Instead of helping people with their fitness, you can become the go-to expert for new moms, helping them with simple, fast workouts they can do at home with no equipment. As your business grows, your niche can grow too. But in the beginning, it's absolutely essential that you niche down as much as possible in order to blow your business up. If you're struggling to find your niche, ask yourself, what do you love learning about, reading about, researching? You need to love learning about what you do because the second letter in the acronym, T, is for teach. There is no faster way to learn than to teach. Once you've found the one thing you love, reading and learning, begin teaching it on social media. Showing up as a person of value is the fastest, most proven way to set yourself apart as the expert in your field. And by committing to investing your time to learn things about your niche and consistently teaching it to your audience, your ideal clients and customers will come to recognize you as the authority. Now, speaking of authority, that's what the letter A stands for. While working to position yourself as an expert, lean on the authority of others. There are so many ways to do this that are respectful and even flattering to the experts that you look up to. Start by identifying 5 to 10 experts in your niche or in a specific niche that's similar to yours. By sharing their content, participating in meaningful conversations, and networking with the people who are already following them, you're going to start to build authority with the people in their audience who might benefit from what you do as well. You also want to identify people who are in a similar niche as you and who are beginning in their journey as well. They're kind of starting out like you are. So, for example, if you help new moms lose baby weight with quick, no equipment workouts they can do from home, it would be amazing to team up with other experts who also focus on helping new moms in other ways. You can interview each other, share each other's posts, collaborate as a way to expose each other to your different audiences. For example, one of our coaching clients, Melanie, is a personal growth coach. She helps busy entrepreneurs create work-life balance so that they can reach their goals without guilt. One important aspect of that is your health. But instead of becoming a health coach, Melanie teamed up with her personal trainer and they have interviewed each other on social media. They frequently recommend each other to their different clients and to their audience. And this is what we call a win-win-win. It's a win for Melanie, it's a win for her personal trainer, and it's a win for their audiences. Okay, R stands for research. In order to set yourself apart as an expert, you need to be able to become a professional researcher. Become obsessed with your niche. Keep your finger on the pulse of the industry by keeping up with the trends, the topics, the news, everything that's popular and important to your audience. Don't just focus on being an expert, focus on being a resource. The final letter is T, which stands for testimonials. Social proof will go a long way in branding yourself as an expert to people who don't know you yet. But how do you get testimonials when you're just starting out? I still remember how nervous my mom and I were to ask for testimonials the very first time. We didn't have any clients yet, so we reached out to 2 old friends who knew us very well. They couldn't comment on our courses or our programs, but they could comment on our character and on our passion for the industry that we were teaching in. We put their testimonials on the freebie funnel capture page for our very first freebie, and it worked great. As you start to build up clients and get more customers, you want to get in the habit of collecting testimonials from them. Create opportunities for people to share their wins. And when you give someone a good experience, don't be shy about asking them for a testimonial. We have found people love sharing their experience. In fact, when one of our students recently found her testimonial on the sales page of our program, she took a screenshot and sent it to us, thanking us for giving her exposure. As you can see, the key to positioning yourself as an expert is simply to start. Specialize, teach, authority, research, and testimonials. And in order to make your personal brand profitable, you also need a proven profit plan in place to attract, capture, and convert your ideal clients or customers into your paid programs, products, and services. We did not go from social media nobodies to hitting multiple 6 figures in just 10 months, simply because we positioned ourselves as experts. That was part of it, but what really made it possible was having a proven profit plan that helped us quickly convert new followers into customers and clients on autopilot. We break down that profit plan completely inside this video, giving you real examples of exactly how we launched and grew our personal brand from scratch to 7 figures working just a few hours a week from our laptops. If that's one of your goals, you definitely want to go and check that video out. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. We put out great new videos just like this every single week, and you definitely want to be notified the next time one is released. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.